Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the health agenda on Up Close with Priscilla. This is a section of the channel where we cover all matters health as we tour different health facilities and talk to different health specialists to showcase to you the available medical options. So on this, guys, we'll be touring Meditest group of hospitals in Parklands in Nairobi, Kenya, to show you the available options they have. So follow me, guys. As you come into the facility, guys, this is the reception area. This is where you ask all your queries and questions. We have very customer-friendly staff who are here to make sure that all your needs are met. To my right, we have the patient's lobby or the waiting area. This is where the patients wait for their appointments. Guys, this facility is well known for providing very highly specialized and qualified lab testing. However, they also have other services that they provide. As you can see here, they have an oncology department for all your cancer care. They have a urology clinic. They have eye care or an optical department. They also have the radiology for all your x-ray and ultrasound services. You can visit their nutrition clinic, their dental care, and also they offer surgical care. So guys, you can be sure to check this facility, and also don't forget they have running outpatient services for all your diagnostic needs. This hospital has a presence across the globe. They have branches in Joburg, South Africa. They also have a branch in Uganda, Kampala, and their head office and main hospital in India. They have upcoming projects for hospitals in Mauritius. They are also planning to open new branches in Dubai and also in Kigali, Rwanda.
Have tests in all the specialties of pathology, that is histopathology, hematology, microbiology and parasitology, immunology, and we have a molecular laboratory where we do PCR testing for various infectious diseases, principally for COVID-19 testing. As far as cancer diagnostics are concerned, we are able to do specialized immunohistochemistry, we are able to do FISH testing, we are able to do PCR testing, and lately we have been able to establish collaboration with laboratories that are doing next gene sequencing for the purpose of detecting the molecular aberrations in various types of cancers and providing the best treatment options.
As far as diabetes is concerned, we have CGMS. We are actually the second CGMS center in the whole of this country. That is, CGMS is continuous glucose monitoring system, which is very good for understanding the diabetic status of type 1 diabetic patients and also type 2 diabetic patients in whom the sugars are not getting controlled. We deal with biologics for the rheumatic diseases and also for bronchial asthma. We also do biological treatments for patients with ulcerative colitis and inflammatory bowel disease.
So guys, you don't have to be sick to visit a hospital. You can just randomly walk into a hospital to get checked or to get a wellness checkup. That's why I'm saying don't fail to visit Meditest Hospital for such services. So guys, just come along as we go to their laboratory center. They are very well known for providing the best clinical tests in Kenya, in Africa. So come along, guys. So guys, we are inside the laboratory at Meditest Hospital, and these guys is where they do all the tests. They have state-of-the-art machines, very well equipped with the best machines to make sure that they get accurate diagnosis of the clinical tests they do. With me, I have Mr. John Ngare, who is going to take us through the machines and through the lab. So, Mr. John, over to you.
Wow, thank you. My name is John Ngare Asufhan. I'm one of the technologists who are working inside Meditest Diagnostic Labs. And here we do quality work. We do quality laboratory work in clinical medicine. Currently we are the leading when it comes to quality because we are actually accredited by the KENAS in here in Parklands. We've gone the process very well, and that's why we've been able to acquire all what we are doing in the lab. So with me here, I want to take you around what I have.
Sure.
I have one of the machines here called Kobasi 411. In this machine, this is where we do all our immunological tests. Immunology.
Yes.
So deals with things that are called an antigen antibody.
Okay.
So in science, that the scientists understand. So here we do the cancer markers, the CEA, CA99, CA125, all of them we do here, mention them. We also do one of the very rare tests called CA72 using this machine.
So that rare test is for checking?
That rare test is for checking the cancer cells inside the body. We also do the autoimmune using this machine. We also do other things like the thyroid using this machine. So this machine has been of help to us. One of the qualities that has made the machine be very useful to us is its ease to use. So any technologists coming to the lab you actually love working with this machine because it's simple, operational, user-friendly, very user-friendly. Here is liaison. We normally call it diazorin.
To me, it looks like a photocopying machine.
Yeah, but it's very nice.
Yeah.
Here in the lab.
Okay.
And it's very user-friendly. It's not a bad machine. Don't think it's something very dangerous in the machine. It's not a photocopier. You see, inside you can see very, very complicated things.
Yes,
yes. But to us, we understand in the lab what they are used for. So this one also does all the immunological tests, just like the other one.
All right.
But the difference between this one and this one is time.
Okay.
And also the principles that we use. So why we like having more machines is because if, for example, this time I don't have reagent for this machine,
Okay.
I can use the other one.
So this one takes a shorter or a longer
Yeah,
time?
a shorter time than this one.
So this one will take, if this one takes 30 minutes,
This one will
be
take
less.
25.
All right.
So you see, now that one makes us to lead in terms of the turnaround time for clients who come to Meditest.
Okay.
And we would like to tell the clients to actually choose Meditest,
Yeah.
the best.
With this type of machines, they are guaranteed of very accurate diagnostic results.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Here we do very quality work,
All right.
and that's why we have different machines. We have another one here which is very nice. Called it's from Siemens. We call it Adivia CP. which is also very user-friendly, actually the simplest and the best for checking all immunological tests, just like the other two, but this one is even more simpler, and it also takes less time compared to the other two. In terms of cost, it's also cost-friendly, pocket-friendly. So you
even go an extra mile to be pocket-friendly
to the clients. Yes,
yeah,
we
so
try
if
our
they
best.
come here, they get the best results at an affordable cost.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can hear it for yourself, guys. So if you need any lab test, Meditest are excellent, and as you can see from their lab, they have very high-end machines, very good equipment to make sure that you get the best results. So moving on, John.
Yeah. We move on to the next machine here.
Right.
It's also immunology machine.
Okay.
Actually, why we like having more machines for immunology is because our immunological tests, like the way where we are now adding to in terms of technology,
Yes.
we need to have more machines for us to be able to give quality results to our clients. So we have mini vidas, which actually we've done the quality control for the same external and internal, and both of them are passing very well. So that tells you that our reports here are quality, no question about them. So when you get report from Meditest, be sure the doctor will get the best. So now we've come from immunoassays, we're now to biochemistry, biochemical tests. So biochemistry, we deal with organs of your body. So the heart, kidneys, the liver, we also do the tests for all those.
So you mean this
organs.
is where you do the liver function
Tests.
kidney function,
Exactly.
thyroid profile.
Nice. But this one doesn't do thyroid profile.
All
Thyroid
right.
profile is immunoassay.
The immuno.
Yes.
Right.
This one we do all the liver function tests, kidney function tests, the pancreatic enzyme tests. We also do the cardiac, the heart test, the cardiac enzymes using this machine. It's called IDICO. Actually, this machine has given us a good name because it gives accurate results. In terms of accuracy, it's the best.
I have noticed that most machines are coming with a computer to the side.
Yeah.
So is it for computing the results? How does it read from the machine to the computer?
Thank you for that. Now, this machine should be integrated with the computer.
Okay.
So I'll do my working on the computer. So after I work with my computer, then I send a signal to the machine.
All right.
So they are
able to do
they are integrated. So if you check, we've come from a bench, we are now to another bench. Hematology.
Right. This is where you deal with everything blood.
Whole blood.
Whole blood.
So this one is called a 5-parts machine for doing our hematological tests. It's called Sysmex, one of the best machines, because our EQA, that is external quality, is also passing very well.
Yeah.
And it is also user-friendly and cost-friendly. We like the machine. Now this one is the best when we come to autoimmune. There are some autoimmunes that we don't just get anywhere, especially in these parklands. Here we do all the herpes, we do the papilloma, we do the rubella, we do the toxoplasma using this machine. This also is a biochemical machine that does all the biochemistry tests, just like the other one. The cardiac enzymes, we call it the kidney function tests, the liver function tests, The pancreatic enzymes, you also do them in this machine.
So there are people who are very busy,
Yeah.
and probably they don't have time to visit a hospital for checkups.
Yeah.
So you can tell them that they can, you're just a call away. They can call you, you go pick their samples at home at the comfort of their home.
Home collections are well organized here. You need our services, you're just a call away.
Yeah.
You call us, you can collect your blood in your offices, your homes, just call us. This is not a fridge you can find in any other place other than Meditest, because we would like to keep our reagents well and our cone system well monitored using our monitoring system. Remember, as I told you, we are KENAS accredited. So we try to make sure that all our services are monitored and are well organized. So all our biochemistry machine accessories, reagents, we store them here in this cone system machine. This is where we input the reports that we've gotten, the hard paper reports, to the system, so that now it can reach our doctors, our clients, for easier interpretation.
So guys, from the main laboratory, we are here at the molecular department where they do PCR COVID test. So in this room, it's called the donning area. This is where the staff change into this attire you see me in order to go to the COVID testing area because of the high infection rate. So here, I'm just going to complete my donning. I'll wear this mask and put on my cap and take you along, guys. With me, I have Lucy, who is one of the specialists in the molecular department, and she's going to take us through their PCR room. So guys, I've now completed the donning and now ready to go into the PCR COVID testing area.
So this is our deactivation area. When we receive the COVID samples, we deactivate them here so that they can be ready for us to take them into the extraction room. This is our extraction room where we extract the COVID so that we can retain the RNA, which is our template. That's what we are going to use in the quantification of the COVID.
So guys, this is a highly infectious area, so we are trying to be very careful not to get contaminated. So before anything, we keep sanitizing as we enter the next room.
We are using this machine, 125. That is the current machine that most of the facilities are using. It's the best. I can assure you it's the best when it comes to quality.
Okay.
So this is what we use.
We have shown you the state-of-the-art equipment that they use to make sure that you get the most legit diagnostic results. So make sure to visit them, guys. If you like what you're doing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like our videos and share our videos, and also to subscribe to this channel. So if you have anything any facilities that you would want us to visit, please let us know on the comment section below, and we are here to do that for you guys. Otherwise, see you on the next one.